Neroli increases circulation and stimulates new cell growth. It prevents scarring and stretch marks and is useful in treating skin conditions linked to emotional stress. Any type of skin can benefit from this oil, although it's particularly nourishing for dry, irritated, or sensitive skin. Neroli regulates oiliness and minimizes enlarged pores. It also helps to clear acne and blemished skin, especially if the skin lacks moisture. With regular treatment, it can help to reduce the appearance of fragile or broken capillaries and varicose veins. Neroli is useful for dry, sensitive, and mature skin as it helps to improve elasticity. It is known to help relieve muscle spasms and heart palpitations. Neroli's therapeutic properties are antidepressant, antiseptic, anti-infectious, antispasmodic, aphrodisiac, bactericidal, carminative, cicatrisant, cytophylactic, cordial, deodorant, digestive, sedative, and tonic. This oil is non-toxic and non-sensitizing. Neroli is a top to middle note.